What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make how to put an auto clicker. If you like play a lot of simulators, you want an auto clicker, I'm going to show you how to make that. So you go to Google, okay, go to Google, put auto clicker, so you press like that. Then the first one, it must be like auto clicker download source for getting it. Now just press it. Press download. Okay. So you save it in any file you want. And you gotta wait until it is installs, like really. So I'm gonna tell you when it installs. Bye. Okay, and installed. So when it installs, you just press open. Then you'll have it. You'll have this. So you can make your hotkey. Mine is 0. Like you can change it to anything you want, like Z. Anything. Mine is 0 by the way, so I don't want to click 0. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. So let's try it out. Okay, let's go to Roblox real quick. Okay, so we're in Roblox now. So which simulator let's play today? Let's go to games. Okay. Balloon simulator. Let's play simulator like. What simulator do you want us to play, guys? So wait, and not open it, auto clicker. Just open it. Okay. Let's go to. We need something that clicks weightlifting simulator. Okay, let's go to weightlifting simulator. Okay. Let's get in. Come on. See, when it's done, I think it needs upgrading, you know. Okay, so we're back. Oh my god, I don't play this game a lot. But wait, fun fact, until we go to the auto clicker, you know what? You can change your size from here, like you can choose your own size. If you don't know, like I'm at 1.1111, it will be, see? I'll be in small. I'm now small. But anyways, let's go to the auto clicker. So here, you can hear my clicking, like, see, now I clicked, but I'm not. So look, I'm not clicking. Here's. Now I clicked. Like, see? Now I'm not. So, whoa, what the heck? What the hell was that? Okay, but I'm not putting it on auto clicker, as you can see, guys. If I'm not putting on auto clicker, I would be like doing like this, but I'm not. So you can do push up, these stuff. But anyways, let's end this video here. Let me remove this auto clicker. So wait. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.